tree. I said to him, "What's up, Billy?" He whispered to my ear, "I got a pretty girl from India." A little man Billy got a new girlfriend, but cleaning up the city will never end. He's now become a mature man, always smile when he's driving his van. Billy is a well-known man in the town, a funny little man I like hang around. He's got a lot of friends in the city, a humble and active boy named Billy. Thank you, Billy, for planting trees, helping out people in our community. Your action, I speak louder, louder. You are the one of the best founder. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, hit hot. DJSURF in the house. Party remix. I hope we had some mouse in the house. Look up and jump, jump. Hey, Billy, come, we go to the show. To the club name, go, surf, go. Have a gold beer and a few dance. Enjoy the night and be safe, everyone. Hey, Billy, come, we go to the show. To the club name, go, surf, go. Have a gold beer and a few dance. Enjoy the night and be safe, everyone. Go, Billy, hands up and touch the silly. Share your friends, don't creepy. I like to taste some indie chili. Go, Billy, hands up and touch the silly. Share your friends, don't creepy. I like to taste some indie chili.